大家好 Happy Chinese New Year 恭喜发财 Welcome back to Aunty Dann's kitchen. Today Aunty is going to show you a special dish using abalone. So let's start. This is abalone, and this one is pork. I sliced already. And then another ingredient, broccoli. And this one is the abalone soup. And this one shiitake mushroom, button mushroom, and straw mushroom. And special ingredient, big prawns. So let's start. Come and join Aunty do cooking. Now Aunty want to saute this pork. Now cooking oil added until the lard comes out, until it turn brown. So this is another ingredient that I'm gonna use to cook, goes along with the abalone later on. Okay, this pork I already add in salt and black pepper. Hello friends, Aunty start on the do cooking. This one is garlic. I already chopped it into 20 pieces. I'll be cooking this prawn first. Okay, let's start. Garlic, and some ginger. Okay, put in the prawns. Add salt, 1 teaspoon, little bit of Ajinomoto, and black pepper, add a bit of water so that it will fully cook. Cover for a while. Okay, scoop it out. I put in oil already, and I'm gonna cook this mushroom next. Mushroom. Add in garlic. Alright, add in all the mushroom. So after stir fry, pour in water so that the mushroom is fully cooked. Add in salt, little bit of Ajinomoto, okay, let all the mushroom cook, slowly cook. The shiitake mushroom, straw mushroom and button mushroom. This is fresh shiitake. I'm gonna add in oyster sauce to thicken the sauce. Little bit of sesame oil. Let it simmer first to ensure the mushroom is fully cooked, especially this shiitake mushroom. Nice smell. Take out the smaller mushroom first and leave the shiitake mushroom continue to cook. The broccoli, I'm gonna blanch this. Just add a little bit of salt. Okay, that's it. Add a bit of sesame oil. Ice cold water. Okay, on this part, Auntie just blanched the broccoli for a minute. Okay, so I've scooped the broccoli out and put into the basin of cold water. Okay, Auntie is going to boil the soup of the abalone. Okay, Auntie is going to arrange all the broccoli on the plate. And now Auntie is going to arrange the prawn. And here comes the big prawns. And the flowing, Auntie is going to arrange all the mushroom. First of all, the button mushroom and the straw mushroom. And the flowing are the shiitake mushroom. And now the epic part of it. This is the abalone. The abalone I've sliced, and now I'm going to arrange it. Okay, finally these are the abalone sauce. I'm going to pour it on top of all this for the flavor. Whoops! Auntie almost forgot about the pork. Anyway, thanks for watching. Do subscribe, like, comment, and share. And Happy New Year! Kung Si Fa Chai! See you in the next video. Bye bye.